Welcome back to Excel Online
and
Advisor.
bingo.
Today we are going to discuss a cool trick about VLOOKUP which I believe you never heard about. On your screen I have taken a set of data where I have one of my client DEF. Now in order to get his beginning balance, schedule payment and extra payment, what we all are doing is we are using VLOOKUP, something like this. Now, if we need the schedule payment and extra payment, we will be changing this column index number manually like this, which is not a good way to do this. Now, what the trick is, look here on the screen. It is just a tricky here. I will be using the VLOOKUP again. I will be doing the same thing, but here on the column index number, I will be putting some curly braces. Now the beginning balance is in second column, followed by schedule payment and then extra payment. I'm closing these curly braces and again I need exact match and bingo. We have the results. I hope you must learn something new. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends. Thank you.